Little storyteller.
Sir Reginald, a brave knight with shiny blue armor and a smile as bright as his sword, lived in a cozy castle beside a sparkling blue river. His best friend was Sparky, a small green dragon with big friendly eyes. Sparky loved to chase butterflies in the sunny meadow, but today Sparky had the hiccups. Hic, hic, hic. Sparky puffed, and out popped a tiny shimmering bubble. This was no ordinary bubble. As it floated, it played a sweet, high note, like a tiny bell. When it popped, it made a soft ting. Hic, hic. Another bubble floated out, this one a little bigger, and playing a lower, deeper note, like a gentle drum. "Oh dear," Sparky said, his voice wobbly. "My hiccups are making strange noises. I don't like them." Sir Reginald, who was watching with wide eyes, chuckled. "But Sparky," he said, "they're not just noises, they're music." He caught one of the shimmering bubbles gently in his hand before it popped. "Listen!" he exclaimed, as it made its tiny plink sound. Sir Reginald had a wonderful idea. "Sparky," he said, his eyes twinkling, "let's make a song with your hiccups. We can call it the Bubble Symphony." Sparky looked unsure at first, but Sir Reginald's enthusiasm was contagious. Together, they listened carefully to each musical bubble. Some were high and light, others low and rumbly. Sir Reginald would point and say, "That one sounds like the birds singing, and that low one is like the buzzing of the happy bees." Sparky started to giggle with each hic, as a new musical bubble floated away. It wasn't so bad having hiccups after all, especially when they made such lovely sounds. They listened as the tiny bubbles created a beautiful bubbly melody in the sunny meadow. Soon Sparky's hiccups began to slow down. Hic, plink, went a small bubble. Hic, boing, went another. Then finally, no more hiccups came. Sparky was all better. "Our bubble symphony is finished." Sir Reginald cheered. Sparky smiled. Even though he didn't like having hiccups, he was happy they had made something beautiful together. They learned that sometimes, even things that seem a little bit annoying can turn into something wonderful with a little bit of imagination and a good friend. As they sat by the sparkling river, Sir Reginald shared a fun fact. "Did you know, Sparky, that hiccups happen because our bodies have a little muscle called the diaphragm that helps us breathe? Sometimes it gets a little jumpy, and that's what makes us hiccup." Sparky listened, his big eyes wide with wonder. The sun shone brightly, the river sparkled, and Sir Reginald and Sparky, the brave knight and the little dragon, who made musical bubbles, smiled happily together, glad for their friendship and their bubbly adventure.
Please subscribe. Thank you.